Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega in Strawberry Latte, and we are going to do the week of the 11th to the 17th of February. So this week is Valentine's and we will be using the kit Cherry Love, and I'll show you that after my intro. So if you'd like to see how my page would look like after I've put down all my sticker goodies, then make sure to stay until the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so today is a Monday and I usually film on a Sunday, so it's a little bit different for me today. That's why also, if you could hear a bit of background noise, that is our cameos, because Javier is working on all of your orders. We are sending out a bunch of orders tomorrow because we are gone for the weekend. I'll tell you more about that when I am planning. But first, let's take a look at Cherry Love. So this is what Cherry Love looks like. This was released in January. I think the first release of the year. So this is Cherry Love. This is your date cover, your strip sticker, your checklist box, but here you don't have the square, so that's one of the unique aspects of this kit. And then you also got your deco. So these are your decos. This is a coffee cup that says "I love you, a latte." I think that's super cute. And then you've got cherries, and then you've got your label stickers, and then you have a bunch of dots that can be functional or decorative. And then you have your second page. This has your bottom bars, your left bottom bar, your right bottom bar, a bunch of teardrops, and then your script stickers. And then what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and start with our date covers. So the paper that I'm using is Photo White. And the Photo White kit is what I prefer to use nowadays because I am using felt tip pens. Except for last week, because I missed my fountain pens, I used a glossy paper for my sticker kit. So this is Photo White, and it is good for felt tip pens. It writes so smoothly on felt tip pens. It doesn't feather. It just glides right on. So for here, I'm taking this strip and I am going to put it right against this because I like the cherry design going down. Sometimes I would put it up here. Actually, that's not too bad. But no, I've already decided before I started. I have to stick with that decision. I don't know why I should do that. For no particular reason, I am sticking with my earlier decision before I started filming that I'm going to put this right beside the cover, because the date covers, because I would like to show off the design right here. So I'm sorry if it's a little it's reflecting the light because it is glossy. So the other papers that we have is glossy cream and matte paper. So the matte paper is also white, but the glossy is actually in cream, and that is our OG paper. And our OG paper, the glossy cream, is amazing for fountain pens. And the matte one is great for ballpoint or gel, if that is what you are using. Now, I just put this down right here. That's always where I put it. Put the checklist up against here. You can also, of course, put it up against here, etc., etc. But this is how I am going to use it today. I am going to take my left bottom bar and I'm just going to place that. Okay, I am following this line, that line right there. That is where I am aligning the left bottom bar, so it's easier. That's how it was designed. And then I have this bigger right bottom bar. And what you will do is that you will take this line and follow it right there, and that is where you are going to place this giant thing of a sticker. So it's pretty easy, and as you can see, the foundation stickers is completely finished. Now, if you'd like, you don't need to actually put any more stickers down, but for me, I like to be extra. So I'm putting down my weekend sticker. Now the weekend script sticker, as well as all the script stickers, are very, how do you say that? Intricate. They're cut intricately, so be very careful. Now we're going to move on to lining our pages. So for today, I'm going to use my favorite pen, Marvi Uchida, but this is in the 0.4 because I will be using this to line or darken up the lines on this page using my trusty old ruler that you have seen a million times. This is never gonna get replaced. I'm just saying, this ruler is full of love. And we're back, so let's take a look at what happened here. So as I have mentioned earlier, I used this pen, so 0.4 for the lines right here, and then for this side of the page I did a couple of things. It's not very different from what I did last time, with just a very few exceptions. Like for example here, this area will be my goals pages. I'm gonna put down the script sticker in a little bit, and in this area, instead of lining it up with the boxes, I actually lined in the middle of the boxes of the grid so that it looks like it's floating, like it's sectioned off but it's floating, similar with this one, but didn't quite work because this, I should have moved this a little bit over here. But so here I have my trackers, two different types of trackers. Here I have my time tracker, and what happens is that like just right here, there's dots. I just dot and I just put a line, or I line up a few hours and write down on the side. That's why there's two boxes allowable here, that what I did for that day. Okay, so for the script here, I used my new Touch Bipental. There's a name for this. I forgot what it is. And this is the one in black because my Zig Calligraphy, which is my OG, no, not my OG, but the OG is the Tombow one. But my other favorite calligraphy pen or brush pen is far away from me. And then I also used the 0.1 Marvi Uchida to line up all of these vertical lines. So that is what we have for our page. So I'm going to put away all of the pens and go back to here. Okay, so I'm going to put down, since I've already pulled it out, I'm going to put it down here. Oh, I'll just cut that off. And then I'm going to put track here, but cherry first. Cherry first, and then, oh, that's perfect. I could have just put down track. Anyways, I'm gonna put the cherry down, and then let me get my scissors. Ah! Disaster. Okay, and then let's take a look at what we have here. Oh, sorry. Let me go ahead and put down all of the script stickers. So I always have a weekly goal. Sometimes I don't meet my weekly goal, but I like to write it down so that I have an idea of what needs to be done. There you go. Ooh. This is gonna be a really pretty notes page. Too cute. Too cute. Yes. Okay, I love that. What else? I would put down more script stickers, today and to do. So this is gonna be the today part. No, crooked. And to do part. And then I will put down the, what is this? Teardrops. As I mentioned earlier, we are gonna go away for the weekend, for the Valentine's weekend. We are going out of town. Gonna put these two here. Okay, hang on. And then I'm gonna put the header down here and another header here. That's so crooked, but I'm sorry. I'm not gonna lift that. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Right. So as I was saying, we are going out of town and I need to do some things like, well, mainly I need to wake up at 6 a.m. And then here I have new releases. New releases is on Sunday, and on February 16th, that is our monthsary. That is right. So now I'm going to put down these dots. These dots are the tiny things that's going to happen today or on that day. And also you can use the dots decoratively. I'm going to do that today as well. Once I have put down all of the dots. Now I'm going to put one dot on goals. Maybe two. Depends. No, one dot on goals. Because I have a specific goal and then I have targets. And then I'm going to put this down here. So these are just decorative now. So you can actually use them however you would like. You can opt not to use them as well, but I like them. So they will be in the kit for the time being. And actually, we are completely done with our spread. This is the first page and it is empty. This is the second page, whoops, and this is empty also. So this is our page. Let me go ahead and scoot you on up. Okay, hang on. Oops, I keep forgetting this. I'm gonna put the dates. There we go. And we are actually really done. So this is what our page looks like. I was going to scoot you on up. Ta-da-da! I have been doing this kind of time tracker for a while. Maybe I will change that up next week. It depends on what I am feeling, but I will be really tired that week because of the long, fun weekend we were going to have. So probably in the next month, maybe I'll change that up. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel and also follow us in our social media. Our IG and our Facebook are both paperjoyph, and of course, please join our Facebook group, Paperjoy Planning World, for insider news as well as exclusive discount codes. So thank you so much for the love in my Facebook group, by the way. Hello everybody. And that's all for us today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!